Welcome to Veteran Tech. Today, we dive into the world of heavy machinery, where raw power and expert control make all the difference. From uprooting trees and cutting lumber to operating massive industrial equipment under extreme pressure, every step demands precision and skill. But even with the most advanced machines, things can still go wrong. Let's take a closer look at the challenges and the incredible feats of engineering in action. We've got a massive stump with deep roots gripping the ground, but instead of using an excavator or a chainsaw, this guy takes a smarter approach. He's using a pulley system hooked up to that blue New Holland tractor to do the heavy lifting. From the driver's seat, everything seems calm. The sun is shining, traffic is smooth, and cars are moving in sync. But wait, suddenly that truck swerves hard to the side. What really happened? The road is filled with deep puddles and thick mud, but that blue truck keeps pushing forward. Right beside it, a steep, rocky slope adds to the challenge. With every turn of the wheels, it fights against the harsh conditions, proving its power and endurance. Probably never seen a situation this intense. A fully loaded truck stuck on a collapsing wooden bridge. It's a tough, nerve-wracking challenge, but also a true test of the power of machines and teamwork. Every move counts as they fight to get it across. Hopefully, everyone stays safe on roads as difficult as this one. Logging, big machines aren't always the only option. Take a look at this. Simple but incredibly effective. With just an ATV, the job gets done smoothly without disturbing the natural ecosystem. Sometimes simplicity is the key to unexpected efficiency. Let's watch this wood chipper in action. The crane grabs a bundle of branches, drops them into the feed chute, and the pezzolato drum chipper instantly shreds them into fine wood chips. A steady stream shoots out of the green discharge chute, forming a growing pile. Powerful and efficient. What do you think? Woodworking machines are impressive, but this is next-level precision. Watch how this bright red machine turns raw wood into perfectly cut firewood with expert handling. What do you think of this process? Share your thoughts on operating firewood processing machines. Ever imagined a race between two fully loaded pickup trucks? Well, you're about to see it happen. Don't look away, because this showdown is guaranteed to keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's watch the Volvo ICR 145 Flex 14 and the Nula Harvester Head take on the forest with unstoppable power. In the thick morning mist, this machine moves with precision, turning towering trees into neatly processed logs in seconds. Modern technology at its finest, making logging faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. In this freezing forest, a massive machine is showing off its incredible power. Have you ever seen a harvester process trees this fast? Watch closely as the OSA 600 baby takes efficiency to a whole new level. With sheer power and precision, it cuts, trims, and sections logs in no time. The harvester head works non-stop, stripping branches and slicing trunks effortlessly. It's like watching a tireless machine in perfect motion. Here comes the powerful orange Valmet tractor, roaring to life as it rolls out with confidence, the driver cap on, ready to put on an incredible show. But it's not just about cruising on paved roads. This beast tears through fields, kicking up clouds of dust as it plows the earth, creating a sight you won't forget. This isn't just farm work, this is a perfect performance. Today's terrain is no joke. The red tractor keeps pushing forward, hauling a massive load of wood. You can see each track struggling against the thick mud, fighting for traction with every turn. It looks like the tracks are sinking into the soft ground, but this machine doesn't back down, it just keeps going. Cutting down a tree is a lot harder than it looks. It takes an engineer's mind to calculate the exact fall trajectory. But in this case, there wasn't an engineer in sight. Even if you have a top-of-the-line next-generation truck, don't overestimate its power or your driving skills. Push it too far, and you might just end up in an epic fail moment. Drink up, drink up. Every lumberjack loves a good domino effect, especially when it looks this satisfying. With the help of a helicopter, this massive saw gets the job done in minutes. A task that would take a lumberjack hours with a regular saw is finished in no time. The key here is precision. The pilot must maneuver carefully, guiding the saw with absolute control to make every cut count. A rough, complicated road? That's just another highway for this beast. No bumps, no obstacles, just raw power pushing through like it's nothing. Watch as it tackles the terrain with ease, proving that nothing stands in its way. There's nothing more satisfying as a lumberjack than seeing the perfect result of your hard work and precise calculations. Every cut, every measurement, all coming together in a flawless finish. That feeling when the final piece falls just right, pure satisfaction. This homemade wood splitter is more than just a tool, it's a game changer. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this machine gets the job done with almost no effort. With a powerful 5.5 kilowatt motor, an automatic return feature, and 11 tons of force at 180 atmospheres, splitting wood has never been this easy. Need power and precision? This single-shaft wood chipper delivers both. With dual blades and a 6.5 horsepower engine, it shreds through wood effortlessly. Built for efficiency and durability, it makes landscaping and cleanup feel like a breeze. When performance matters, this machine gets the job done. A homemade log splitter can be a game changer, but there's one key detail you can't ignore. If the wedge doesn't drop or lock correctly, the whole system can stall, causing frustration and inefficiency. It all comes down to a simple but critical adjustment. Making sure the wedge locks properly or applies enough force is the key to keeping everything running smoothly. This is a steam-powered wood splitter, a mechanical giant from the past. Once the powerhouse of the industry, it's incredible to see these machines still standing instead of ending up in a scrapyard. The sheer size and power are impressive, but compared to modern machines, it's clear how far technology has come. It may be slow and outdated now, but back in the day, this was cutting-edge engineering in action. A massive pile of logs, the DIY hydraulic wood splitter turns hours of work into minutes, making splitting effortless. Meet the RM250 with a 1:41 transmission ratio and a 4 kilowatt motor. It delivers precision and power at 6 controlled revolutions per minute. Even in the snow, it gets the job done. No struggle, just smooth, efficient wood splitting. This wood chip crusher prototype is engineering at its finest, running on a PTO at 540 RPM with a high-performance gearbox. It's built for power and precision. But it's more than just crushing wood chips. It's about pushing efficiency to the next level, turning raw material into usable resources with maximum productivity. Sometimes the simplest ideas have the biggest impact. Take this firewood splitter. It doesn't need electricity or complex mechanics, just pure human strength. At first glance, it seems unassuming, but once you see it in action, you can't help but be impressed by how effortlessly it gets the job done. This engine-powered saw with a splitting blade is built for precision cutting. Mounted on a sturdy, movable frame, the blade glides smoothly along the rail for clean, accurate cuts. With a simple spindle adjustment, you control the thickness with remarkable accuracy. A perfect combination of engineering and functionality, designed for professionals who demand precision. This wood splitter just isn't cutting it, literally. The blade either isn't sharp enough or just too short to get the job done right. Instead of splitting cleanly, the wood gets stuck, forcing you to go over it again. And let's be honest, that's the last thing you want when tackling a job that should be simple. That's the power and precision of heavy machinery in action. From expert control to unexpected challenges, every move counts. Stay tuned for more incredible feats of engineering, only on Veteran Tech.